Oh, she was right. A nighttime skincare routine for me is more important than a daytime. Definitely if I'm out in the elements, yeah. I have to get my skincare done at night. Hey everyone, this is Small Faith. Whether you're new or returning, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing my nighttime skincare routine. In the daytime, you're out in the environment, you have this, you have that, you have people talking in your face. When I get home at night, I want to cleanse all of that off. Unless I didn't wash my face the night before for whatever reason, maybe I was too tired, which really rarely happens because I'm always doing my skincare and making sure I do it at night. Summertime, I don't put on too much because I have oily skin and I sweat a lot. My Ipsy subscription, that's where I get to learn all the stuff about skincare products, makeup. We don't really do too much makeup over here. I'm not there yet. I get access to all these other products that's way more expensive. I would never be able to afford. I'm still learning, okay? So I really didn't know anything, but I love it. I got a new product. I've been hearing so much about it and I want to try it. My facial steaming. I've never done facial steaming before. I got this from Amazon. Oh, it gave you a little goggles. Gave me a little goggles for the steam. That's nice. I guess it's for like extraction and stuff like that. Oh, it gives you a headband. Okay, that's cute. And it has a little manual of what to do and everything. Use only distilled water or purified water. Okay, so I do have some purified water because I bought a few cases of water. So makeup remover, I don't have any makeup. Facial cleanser, we will be doing that. Toner, check, I have that. Then do the serum. So, okay, so I already got that, check. Got some Clean Skin Club face towels, but this comes with face towels. Okay, nice. I read online that you use it for 2 minutes to see, you make sure you don't have any redness, it's tolerating it, okay, and then the extra 8 minutes you could use it for. So that's what I'm gonna do. Use it for 2 minutes and wait a little while, make sure my skin is not getting red and I'm not anything. I don't think anything like that's gonna happen. Then I'm gonna use it for 8 more minutes. So yeah. I've heard so many good things about steamers. It unclogs your pores, allows the products that you use to really get in there. You know, I am looking for a glow. As I get older, you know, we have to fight for that glow. You gotta give that good fight. I'm fighting for my glow. I have oily skin, so I definitely want to combat that. Find products that's good for my oily skin, especially in the summertime. In fall, I'm gonna have new products that I use that's here, but I can't use it now because it's too heavy. So I'm gonna show you what I use on a daily, what I've been using so far and what's new. So every night, I usually go in with a scrub. I use my facial scrub. My Palmer's Raw Coconut Sugar. I love this. I love this scrub. I can use a scrub every day. And everything is not for everybody, and everything everybody can't do, but I can. I can use the scrub every single day, and I love it because it cleans my skin. It's very moisturizing. It has these little beads, and it just feels so good. Sometimes I use my fingers, or I could use my little scrubber here that I have. Also, I use this La Roche-Posay. This is going down. This goes a long way. I've had this for a few months and it goes a long way. I got this, I heard so many things about it, and it's good for oily skin, so I've been using this especially for the summer. Or I would use my Maree, and it has vitamin C in it. After that, I use a toner. This is almost done. I've been using this Heritage toner for a minute. And I got a new toner that I'm gonna be using, the Good Molecules one. And this is, it has niacinamide in it, and it's a brightening toner. I wish I found this before because I do like this, but the only thing because of the summertime and it has glycerin, all the moisture comes to my face. So I don't usually use this in the morning. This is nice. It smells good. It leaves your skin nice and soft. The moisture comes, okay? The moisture comes. So I've been using this because it feels good and it doesn't feel like it's bringing all the moisture to my face. So this is great. And I definitely have to get some more of this for the fall, winter, because that's when I'm gonna need the moisture. Because the weather is still warm, I don't usually put too much serum on. If I do, then I'll use my Ordinary. I put it because it's light, and sometimes that's all I would put on. If I wash my face, I would use the toner to clean off some of the excess dirt. After you wash your face, you think you don't have dirt? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. So I put some of this and I'll clean it off. I'll show you guys. Clean skin. You gotta make sure your skin is clean. That is the secret to good skin. Make sure it's clean. And I was using this, the Snail Mucil. It's done. I've had this for a couple of years and it's finally finished. I don't know if I'm gonna get it again. I'm not sure. I might. This is all I've been using on my face. Like after I wash it and do my toner, this is all I've been using. I'm going to bed because like I said, it's been too hot and I can't. Or if I decide to do a moisturizer, I would go with a light moisturizer. A little goes a long ways. I still have a little bit left. I got this as a birthday present for Sephora. I got this, I got the cleanser and the whole, you know, boo boo boo. After all of that, I use an eye cream. I've been going in, you know, changing it up. The First Aid, I use this. I've used my Elements. This is almost done. I've used this. I like this. Fenty, it comes with a little eye roller. I love it because it just feels good. Sometimes I put it in the fridge and then I will put it under my eye. It just feels so good. Newest one I have is the Glow Recipe. It has vitamin C and all that stuff. So I'm like, okay, brightener, love that. So I've been using this. Does this do anything? I don't know. To me, I don't know. To me, like I've been getting bags, right? My under eyes is a little dark and all that stuff. You know what the cure for all that is? Sleep. You don't want bags. You don't want. You gotta sleep. And sometimes I'm up, I'm doing whatever, and I'm not getting enough sleep, and that's when these things start forming. So, or I would use an eye patch. This is the newest eye patch I bought so far. So it says it's good for fatigue under eyes. I don't know, but it's cute. Also for the nighttime, if I want to use a moisturizer, of course I have my Olay, of course, hello. And it has hyaluronic acid and everything, and it's a gel, so it's very light. She's done. She's just about done. She has a little bit more. So that's what I use. That's my summer stuff. And when I get to the fall, it's gonna be a whole other stuff. It's gonna be the same routine, but different products, I guess, that I want to try. So it's not a lot of stuff. I don't really need a lot of stuff. I don't put a lot of stuff in my face. If you need to, or you need extra stuff, then you do what you have to do. You do what you have to do for your face, but I don't do too much for mine. I'm using warm water to wash my face. I'm gonna use a La Roche-Posay. And I think I already put too much. Sometimes I'm just heavy-handed. I put too much. I am gonna use my massager just a little bit, not too much, because I am gonna be using the steamer and exfoliant. So I don't want to use I don't want to use it too much or be too rough with it. Just really gentle. I bought the Clean Skin Club, the bigger size before, and I'm glad I bought the smaller one because I feel like the big one, I would buy the big one and have to cut it in half because to me it was just too big. But this one right here, I got this from Amazon. Look at this. This is perfect. This is perfect. And it's a little cheaper. Yeah, I'm not gonna be buying the big one anymore because I just feel like it's a waste. You can reuse them, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to reuse them like that. So these are good for a lot of things. Very absorbent, and you could use a lot of things with this other than just your skincare, but it washes off really nice. That's what I like about it.
to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way.
Okay, so I just finished steaming. I did about 10 minutes. And my face is nice and moist. Now I'm gonna use my Good Molecules toner on a fresh, clean pad. This is not a cotton pad, this is a cloth pad, which I love. You can reuse it, wash it, and reuse it. So I use these instead of the cotton pads. I really wasn't liking that too much. I'm just gonna rub it really gently across my face. I don't want to upset my face because I just finished steaming. So I just want it to be nice and gentle. If you're too rough, that can cause, you know, skin to be red, and it's just, right now my pores are open, right? The pores are open. So you want to be very gentle. So now this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this exfoliant, Paula's Choice exfoliant. I've been hearing so much about this, and I was like, what is the big deal? What is the big deal? And I looked it up on Amazon, and I was like, ooh, it's a little pricey. It's not that bad, but you know, I'm a little selective with how I spend my money these days. It says it's 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. It has salicylic acid. It unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores. Smooth and even skin tone. Lightweight liquid absorbs quickly. So this is an exfoliant. So you put it on and you leave it on. So it's a liquid exfoliant. So that's why I didn't want to use this. I didn't want to exfoliate with my scrub today, because I knew I was using this. So never used it before, heard so many things about it, people been raving about it. So what finally got me to use it is one of the YouTubers that I watch, one of the ladies that I watch. I just found her channel and she was using it. So she was like, you know, she's trying to get that glowy skin. The same thing I said, I'm trying to get the glowy skin, and it's good for oily skin. So she said she has oily skin. I was like, okay, I got oily skin. She's trying to get that glow. I'm trying to get that glow too. So when she said the glow, I was like, what? The glow? That's what I'm looking for. I think her name was, I watch her all the time. What's her name? Brown Girl Chi. She works for Coach. Okay, y'all, I love Coach bags. So she works for Coach. She's a New Yorker. I'm like, okay. So I was watching YouTube and I was watching all the Fashion Week girly posts. And when I saw her post, that was it. I was like, yep, I like her. And I loved her Fashion Week content. I loved that. So I'm like, I want to go to Fashion Week, you know, one day. Hopefully next year, who knows? We'll see. But yeah, so she got me into this and I was like, okay, if you say, girl, you know, my New Yorker, okay? She's from Harlem, they could hear it. I heard the New York accent. I heard the New York accent come out. So I was like, okay, girl, I'm gonna try it. So this is what I'm doing now. But I'm just gonna like press it on. I'm not gonna use any pads or anything. I think you can use, wait a minute. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna smooth it on nice and gently. Okay. Y'all see that? She was right. Oh. Y'all see that? I put it, like, this is not sweat. I mean, I'm hot because I'm in the bathroom. But this is not, whoa, she was right. Nobody ever said I was gonna get the glow. I've heard other people talk about this, but they never told me about the glow until she said it. Ooh, oh yes. Oh my goodness, what have I been, ooh, why didn't I get this before? Everybody was right about this. Now I see why they were going so crazy about it. Oh my gosh. I really don't need to put, okay, you know what? Okay. I really don't need to put anything else on my face. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ah. I'm really, really impressed. Wow, I didn't know. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Okay. Yeah, she's a keeper. She's gonna be, I'm using her, what, 2-3 times a week? I will be using her. People make a hype about things and then you're like, what was the hype for? I see the hype. I see the hype. I get it. I get it. I get it. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this, a little bit. Give me a little bit more glow, a little bit of serum. Okay, so put a little bit. Cause I really, like I said, I don't need anything else. I don't want my face to be so cakey. Okay, why is this going on white? I don't know why, but I guess it'll dissipate. Oh my goodness. Anytime I'm doing my skincare, putting anything on my face, it is going on my hand. I want my face to look good and I want my hands to also look good, okay? I want my hands to match my face, okay? Don't forget the hands, ladies. Don't forget the hands. Don't forget that. So I'm gonna put on some of this Glow Recipe under eye cream. Just because, you know, we're gonna do the thing today. I'm gonna put this on, and I put it on my lids also. Why not? It doesn't hurt. A little goes a long way with this. And this also, like, you really don't need that much. Okay? You don't need that much. But sometimes I get heavy-handed, so you don't really need that much. But oh my goodness. I'm telling you, I am so, ooh, Lord. Yeah, I'm so sold. I'm not putting anything else. I mean, look at me. Okay, I wanted the glow, I got the glow, so I don't need anything else. Ooh, yeah. Face is moisturized, the lips have to be moisturized also. I'm gonna use this Maree. It's a lip mask. I've been using this for a few months now. I absolutely love it. They do have it in a tube. I haven't bought it yet, so I hope it's the same. I hope it feels the same, but I absolutely love how this makes my lips feel. I love it. I went to Sephora. I did try the Laneige lip balm also. That's that I'm gonna get some of that. They had the cinnamon sugar. I tried that one. That one is really nice. I absolutely love that mask. It feels so good. It doesn't feel like I have on anything. That's what I love about lip mask. I don't want to feel like I have something on, and it's moisturizing. Absolutely love it. I love it. I'm shooketh. Okay, the hype was real. The hype was real. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for my nighttime skincare routine. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.